In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you all how you can collaborate with others on your code using GitHub. And these other people can be members of your team, your classmates in a project that you have, or something like that. So basically, you have to add them as collaborators on your GitHub repository. So I have this GitHub repository over here, and I'm going to go over to Settings, Manage Access, and click on invite a collaborator, and then you can add their username. So for example, I'll add my main GitHub account, and I can say add undefined file to the repository, and it will send them an invite which I can then go over and accept on my main account, and I will have access to this repository. First of all, let's actually add some code in our repository. So I have this folder in my terminal, collab on GitHub, which currently matches the name of my repository, and I'll just add this repository to my GitHub repo. So I'll just say git init, so I'll create a new repository, and you can see that there's nothing in this repository except the git folder, because we just created a git repository. So I'll just add something. I'll say maybe readme.md, and then over here I can put something, maybe collab on GitHub, just like that, and then I can save that. And now let's just add this, commit the changes. Let's say add readme.md, and then I can first have to add the remote, so I'll copy that link, and then say git remote add origin, and paste that. And now I can say git push origin origin master, and you can see we have successfully authenticated, and it is now going to push to GitHub. So let's just refresh this page, and now you can see our readme has been successfully added, and we have a readme over here. So now let's see, let's say that you want a better readme, but you are the only person who is assigned to this, and so you have to edit this readme whilst not making any conflicts with the master plan, so that other people can edit without any problems. So let's go over here, and I'm just going to create a new branch. So I'll say git checkout, not commit, git checkout dash m, not dash m, sorry, dash b, new readme. So this will change my branch to new readme, as you can see over here. And now over here I can make all of my changes that I want. So I'll say, let's edit my readme again. Then I'll say this GitHub repo is just a tutorial. Then I'll say view the main video, and then I'll give a link to my YouTube. So this video hasn't been uploaded yet, so I don't know the link, so I'm just going to do that. Okay, and then I'll just WQ that. Let's add this git commit dash m, I don't know, update readme. We should provide better commit messages, but I'm just doing it for the sake of doing it. But anyway, now we have to push to our origin, and this time instead of saying git push origin master, you will say git push origin new readme, just like that. It has said that it has created a new branch, so we can just look over here, and you can see already GitHub has detected that there's a new branch, and it is asking you to make a pull request. But now let's just view this branch. So click on new readme, and you can see that we have the changes that we made over here. But in our master branch, which is like the main branch, there's nothing over here. So now we have to just pull request this. Just click on compare and pull request over here. So GitHub is really easy with that, so that's why I love GitHub. And now I'm going to show you that it is going to merge new readme with master, and then you can just give a pull request. I'll say make the readme better. This is just a reference, or this is just something for your managers or other collaborators to take a look at. I'm going to click create pull request, and you can see we have our pull request. So now it's going to say make the readme better, and then it's going to show us our commit. So if I click on this, you can see that we see whatever changes we have done. So we've added these few lines, so GitHub shows that properly. And then if you go to files changed, you can also see that only readme md has changed. So let's go back over to conversation, and then over here we can add something else. For example, good work. So maybe this is the manager, since I don't have another GitHub account with me. And then if everybody likes this change, and then it has passed stuff like GitHub Actions, then you can click on merge pull request and click on confirm merge. You can also change these if you wanted to, and you can see that the pull request has merged and closed, and you can delete this branch, and that should be done. Alright, so now click on code, and notice that we're on the master branch, and all of our, you can see the new readme branch is still not there, but all of our code is now synced up with the master branch. But you can see over here, if I go to if I check out to master again, so git check out master, and then if I like cat readme, you can see that it hasn't updated, and that is because it has only updated on our GitHub, and we have to sync it on our machine by saying git pull, not push, git pull origin master. And what this will do is it will pull your code from GitHub, and now you can see that this has changed, and this is on the master branch, by the way, and there's no new readme branch anymore, it's deleted. So this is how you can collaborate on GitHub, just like that. And now I'll show you one more thing. I'll show you how you can decline pull requests. So let's just let's create a new branch again. So git check out -b, maybe new file. So I'll add a license, for example. So I'll say Vim license. I'll just duplicate that, write that, and now I just have to add this. So git add and git commit -m add license, and now I'll just push this. So git push origin, and always remember to push to the correct branch. Do not push to master because that's not the correct branch. So git push origin new file. Alright, you can see that we have pushed it successfully, and I'll go back over here, and we don't have to refresh this actually because GitHub already detects it, and you can see it says we have a new branch called new file. Now if we go over to this branch, you can see that we have a license file over here, and it says there is really no license, nobody cares. So now let's say you are the manager of this project, or you are like the head of this project or something like that. But first we have to actually pull request this, or merge. I don't know why it's called pull request. It should be called merge request. But anyway, so I'm just gonna say I'm the collaborator who made this. I'm gonna say and let the people do whatever they want with our code with no consequences whatsoever. And I think I spelled that wrong, but I don't care. Okay, click create pull request, and that should create a new pull request again. And now you can see that the GitHub bot automatically detects that there is no conflicts with the base branch. And now let's say I am the manager of this project, so I can write a comment here. I'll say no, let's use the MIT license, and then I'm going to click on close with comment. And if I click on that, this just means we have denied the pull request. We are not going to do this. And if you want, you can delete the branch over here, or you can keep it for, I don't know, historical purposes. So just click delete branch, and that should delete the branch. So if you go back to our code, you can see that to our master branch, yes, you can see that nothing's changed. There is no new file here, and there's no other branch. If I click on view all branches, there's no other branch. There's only the master branch. Now if I go back over here, I'll just git check out master, then I'll git pull origin master, just like that, and you can see already up to date, so there were no changes made. So that was how you can make pull requests on GitHub and accept and deny them. Thank you all for watching today's video. If you want more short videos like this, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll be back with another one. Bye.